Do you want to be more attractive in class? Of course, who wouldn't? But we're not talking about physical attractiveness here. No, we're talking about the kind of attractiveness that makes you stand out, that makes people want to listen to what you have to say, that makes your presence felt in a positive way. The first step is to start by being confident. Confidence is not about being the loudest in the room or the most outspoken. Confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about knowing your worth and not being afraid to show it. It's about being assertive, not aggressive. And remember, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Next, be a good listener. It's not all about you, you know. People love to talk about themselves. So, lend them your ear. Show genuine interest in what they're saying. Ask insightful questions. Make them feel heard. And in return, they'll find you more attractive. The third tip is to be knowledgeable. Knowledge is power, as they say. But it's not about being a know-it-all. It's about being well-informed, about having a well-rounded understanding of the world around us. It's about being curious, about constantly learning and growing. So, read widely, keep up with the news, learn about different cultures, different perspectives. You'll find that people are attracted to those who can teach them something new. Fourth, be kind. Kindness, folks, is never overrated. It's a universal language that everyone understands. It's about being considerate, about treating others the way you want to be treated. It's about empathy, about putting yourself in someone else's shoes. So be kind always. It's a surefire way to make you more attractive. Lastly, be authentic. There's nothing more attractive than someone who is true to themselves. Don't try to be someone you're not. Don't put on a facade. People can see through it. Be you, with all your quirks and idiosyncrasies. Embrace your individuality. Show the world who you really are, and trust me, they'll love you for it. So to sum it up, to be more attractive in class, you need to be confident, be a good listener, be knowledgeable, be kind, and be authentic. And remember, attractiveness is not just about physical looks. It's about who you are as a person. It's about your character, your attitude, your values. So go out there and be the best version of yourself, and watch as the world gets drawn to you.